statements are these called? When we have the arrow, okay, what kind of statement is this called? Yes. If then, or what's another name for it? Conditional. Okay, if you have conditional, think about the word conditional. What's a root word that's in there? No, the word conditional. Condition. So conditional has conditions, right? If then, if this, then blank. That's a condition, right? That's why I call it a conditional statement. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to answer number 2, 3, 4, and 5. You guys were supposed to, actually we did number 2, didn't we, with Taylor Swift?
Yeah.
We did that one. And it was true, correct?
Yes. It was true.
Okay, number 3 is where we're going to start. So we have not B. If not B, then not C. If not B, then not C. What is the statement I'm going to write?
If a daisy is not a tree, then an Android is what? Is not an OS. I'm just going to put OS, okay? For operating system. So we know if a daisy is not a tree, so a daisy is not a tree. Is that going to be true or false?
True.
True. Ignore the if. We're looking at the statement B, not B, right? The statement not B is a daisy is not a tree. So is this true or false, everyone?
True.
That's true. Okay? Android is not an operating system.
False.
What's the rule? What's the rule here that we're going to use to identify the truth value?
If it's true and then false, it's false.
Yeah, if we have a true and then a false, our whole statement is false. Very good. Question?
It's more a statement. It's like in the study of Paul yesterday, where two positives make positive, two negatives make positive, and yet put the other way to make a negative is positive.
That might be a way to think about it. We'll see. Okay?
Okay, so if it's two truths, then it's true, right? I wasn't sure about that. The only way false is true.
So, am I your name again? James? James saying, hey, look, if it's false, false, then it's a true statement, yes? And if it's true, true, it's a true statement. We know if it's true, false, it's false. But what about if it's a false, then a true?
It's true, I
And that's what we're going to get at in a second. So let's look at the next one. Let's see if this is an example of that. We'll see if we get an example of that too in a second. Okay, who's got the statement for number 4? The statement for number 4. Okay, go for it.
Taylor Swift is famous. Android is not a phone.
If Taylor Swift is famous,
Yes.
then what's the next part?
Android is not a phone operating system.
Then Android is not an OS. Okay. What is the truth value? Can you tell me the truth value? What do you got?
Okay, so the first statement, Taylor Swift is famous, is true, and then Android is not an OS is false, which makes it false.
Good. Anyone have any questions on that? Okay, heads down.